Echo Alpha 5, Juliet November Mike, El Salty Dave for another experiment down here in the Salinas. Okay guys, sorry I haven't done a video for a while because, I didn't really have anything new to show you. There's only so many times you can watch a guy sitting working VK there from a motorbike or a crash barrier antenna there. So anyway, we're going to try something new here this morning. I'm down in the Salinas, so we're going to try a little bit of 40 meter action, again portable, with a Sirius compromised antenna. So let me show you what I'm using here and the experiment for today. Okay guys, so excuse the traffic noise. I bought some new microphones external. I really got to get them connected to myself, and sorry about the traffic noise there. So we're not using the external mic. Anyway, let's get to it. So I'm using my More Flippin' Junk MFJ mag mount, which we have just recently put new pads on there, thanks to my mate Diego, and we drilled through hole there to connect everything better. So yeah, this is a Chinese whip here with an M10 connection. This is a very inexpensive 40 meter loading coil. I did a video on it there if you haven't seen it. I did a review of this on the channel there before. So this is a 40 meter, you get them for about 16 euros. This is an M10 connector. So this is M10 up here. So M10 antenna, M10 down here. And this adapter is it's either 3/8 or 5/8 waves. Forgive me for not knowing off the top of my head, but anyway, so this is non-metric and connecting to this. So that's the story. We've got our 5.6 meter, 5 point something meter whip there, our 40 meter loading coil. I'm not grounded to anything. Ideally, I think I want to ground to this here, and maybe even here, down here in the door, to the chassis. I'm going to try it as it is there. The SWR seems quite good, so that's the story. I'm going to try it ungrounded first and then maybe grounded. Okay, 40 meter not really hopping at this time of day, but let's give it a shot.
Juliet Golf November.
Echo Alpha 5, Juliet Golf November, Echo Alpha 5, Japan, Norway, Mexico portable, with the a telescopic whip on top of the car and a loading coil. How copy, Andy?
You're coming in at about a 5x8, Dave. Sounds okay. I guess because we're relatively close, that's probably the sort of signal we can expect. Go ahead.
Yeah, QSL, I think I might have run my battery down a bit there. I don't know how much battery I've got left there, Andy. But yeah, just run the 7300. The SWR looks flat as a pancake, and I'm using a loading coil. I'll make a video about it, over.
Yeah, why not? Once the SWR looks okay, then you're going to be alright. What sort of reception are you getting from me there? I'm just running, what am I running? About 100 watts here at the moment, Dave, go?
Yeah, it's reciprocal, about 5 and 8, 58, Andy, over.
Yeah, similar then, which is a good thing.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Well, that seems to be a fairly successful test there on this one there, over.
Yes, sir.
I think some ground plane is probably better than no ground plane, Andy. You know, because basically it's a 40 meter antenna there, and yeah, just on top of the car. I mean, it's not going to ground to the magnetic paint. And I think some sort of grounding is definitely going to be better than no grounding with a 40 meter vertical, over.